Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is water. So pause this video if you need to, go ahead and grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about hotel sex. Now, for whatever reason, I don't know what it is, but when you book that room and you get into it with your partner, there is something that is just so freeing about having sex in a hotel room. Maybe it's because you know somebody else is going to be washing the sheets. Maybe it's because you know your neighbors aren't there hearing anything. Maybe, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the comfort, the luxury, whatever. There's just something about it that just makes the sex extra, you know, extra. So for this video, I want to talk to you about the things you should look for when picking out the right hotel for hotel sex. Yeah, I hope you like this one. The first thing I would recommend is that make sure that your hotel has a restaurant or bar in it, like in the, like a section that you can go to have drinks and then go back up to your room. The perfect place, right? If you're here in Fort Lauderdale, you already know what it is. It is the Hard Rock Hotel. I have been there many times, just for the bar though. Like, I think, have you ever been in one of the rooms? Maybe once, right? But I do love to frequent the bar area, and I think that when or if you do decide to book a room there, having the ability to go down, have a drink, gamble if that's your thing. They have a pool. That's a whole different part of the series. But I think once there is a restaurant bar type of vibe there, it kind of sets the mood for everything else that's going to happen. So you check in, you check out your room, change, get dressed, whatever you need to do. Don't get dressed if you don't want to. Like the Hard Rock is like one, you can either be super dressed up or super laid back. It's just a good all around vibe when you're there. Drinks are kind of pricey though, but worth it. So you go, you get yourself a drink, you get to loosen up, especially if you're not much of like a drinker. Like some people, when they get a hotel room, they'll either have to drive to a bar or a club, or they'll bring a bottle. At least when there is a bar there, you are around other people, you're getting that good vibe, that good energy. You don't have to drive anywhere, so you're not drinking and driving, you're just going back up to your room. So the first thing I would look for is a hotel that has a restaurant/bar. The next thing that you want to make sure that your hotel has is a pool area. Now, with the pool area, you can go down and you can relax. You can jump into the pool itself and have a little session with your partner, you know, have a little foreplay action going on down there. You can, after everything is done, go down for a quick little nighttime swim, enjoy each other's company, drink by the pool if you can, if you're allowed to bring your cup by the pool, smoke by the pool if you're a smoker, enjoy the night sky, the night scenery. My favorite time to smoke is literally in the night. That's why I love indica, because it just relaxes you, keeps you nice and calm and mellow, and it's like the perfect bedtime teaser. You have the best sleep ever afterwards. Okay, so I highly recommend making sure that it has a pool or a spa type of experience for you and your beau to enjoy. Okay. Third thing I'd recommend is that you make sure that your room has a balcony. Okay, with the balcony, again, if you're a smoker, you go out, you can smoke, come back in the room, relax, enjoy each other. If you want to be adventurous, you can go ahead and give your partner a blowjob on the balcony. You can try different positions on the balcony. You can You know, if you decide to invite someone over, the three of you could be on the balcony. There's so many things to do on the balcony, especially if you have a really, really good view, like an ocean view, a city view, a pool view, any one of these little views, just to set the mood, set the ambiance, set the tone. Okay, that's my third thing, like my top three. That's like, if you're gonna go to a hotel, do it right. Make sure it has either a restaurant or a bar in the hotel. Make sure it has a pool or some type of spa service in the hotel, preferably a pool though, pool or a hot tub, right? Third thing, make sure your room has a balcony. The balcony is what's going to set the sex up here, top tier, okay? Okay. In the room itself, this is like, those are the top three things, the top three must-haves for hotel sex, right? For great hotel sex, right? Now this one I'm just gonna throw in there. When booking your room, either get a king bed, right? So you can spread out, and if there's a wet spot, you sleep away from the wet spot. Or get two queens, so you wet up one and you sleep on the other one, okay? That's my tip for you. Don't get like a room with like a single bed. Like, no, get a really, really big bed or two queen beds. One for wet up and one for sleep. Okay, and don't take anything from the minibar, right? Don't even touch it. And if you spend the night or spend the weekend, a hotel that offers room service, top tier. A hotel that, again, if it has a restaurant downstairs, like in the hotel itself, you have breakfast, you have lunch, you have dinner. Okay, step it up a notch. Not no Holidays Inn, not no Sheraton is what you call it. No, none of these little inns. Anything with an inn, a day's inn, anything with an inn at the end of it, you don't want to be there. Okay. If you feel like I should have mentioned something, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Like I said, I don't know what it is about it, but hotel sex is like top tier. Okay? And if you want to take it even further up, get yourself a nice luxury hotel that has a bar / restaurant downstairs, that has an amazing pool or spa or hot tub. And make sure your room has a balcony with a view, okay? Not no rooftop balcony, not no balcony where when you look outside, all you see is rooftop. No, you wanna see lights, you wanna see either the pool, or you wanna see the ocean, or you wanna see something gorgeous. So when you're doing what you're doing in a certain position, it looks good and it feels good, all right? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
Come through, I think